JVIZ Dot Matrix is a unique Power BI visual used to compare the distribution of discrete data in units of dots. Setting up the visual is simple and only requires adding your measure or numerical data along with your category field. JVIZ Dot Matrix offers several visual formatting options, including adjusting the plot distribution, dot weight, number of dots to display, and plot direction. Quickly customize the styling of your matrix by adjusting the dot size, spacing, color, and roundness. You can even toggle Show All Colors to change the color of your dot categories. Helpful plot information can be displayed, including automatic dot weight conversions, as well as user-defined dot weight conversions. You can toggle the display of one or all plot labels to tailor your end-user experience. Toggle on the chart legend to display the color map for your dots and update the legend title. With JVIZ Dot Matrix, create interesting comparison charts that visually tell your data story. Why wait? Try JVIZ Dot Matrix free today in Microsoft AppSource and be ready to captivate your audience with an informative visualization.